Hi everybody, it's Neil here. Today I want to talk about wooden basements. A lot of people, when they see a wooden basement under a house, they are deterred from this house. And some of it is justified, but most of it is not justified. Wooden basements have been in Canada since the mid-50s on an experimental level, and then into common practice into the 60s, 70s, 80s, and mid-90s, and even some today do wooden basements. It's just not as common anymore with the invention of ICF. But homes built on a wooden foundation in the 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, those foundations are really good foundations. If they're done properly, in my opinion, they're just as good as a concrete foundation. There are some advantages to a wooden foundation, and that is the repairability. They're easier to repair, cheaper to repair, and also insulation value. Where you can insulate the wooden walls themselves, you do not have to build a separate frost wall on the inside of the foundation, losing 5, 6, 7 inches of space around the perimeter of your basement. Like I say, this is not a comparison to ICF, whereas ICF is already insulated. Bare concrete walls have to get insulated yet, whereas the wooden walls, you can put the insulation right in there. So there are advantages to wooden walls as there are disadvantages, and there's just same as everything else.